Assalamu Alaikum and hello everyone, how you all doing? So in this video I will be showing you the amazing work of my students from this year. If you want to see how my advanced and basic class students did after the Turarenwuta classes they attended, like I did a Turarenwuta class, an advanced class for to learn all Turarenwuta, different types of Turarenwuta and Khumra, lecture, body mist, body scrub, muhallat, oil, body, different types of items. And the fee for the advanced class is 8,000 naira. Inshallah, next year I'll be reviewing the price because like I'll be adding other items to the contents you'll be learning from the class. So if you want to see how my amazing students did after the classes, keep on watching. This video is so mashallah because like I just made a little video um of the reviews I got like within just 2 months. This is just within 2 months. I'll be making a review from earlier 2022, the ones I got earlier 2022. But if I don't make that, sorry about these reviews, like is so amazing. So just if you want to watch and just see how my student did, you can keep on watching and you can patronize my students. I will leave their handle, I will leave their details in the description box so that if you want to patronize them, most of them are in different states across Nigeria. So if you want to get amazing, heavenly scented, irresistible, long lasting Turarenwuta, you can get it from them, tested and trusted. They are so long lasting, made using traditional authentic oil, perfumes and Turarenwuta items, not the regular classic and not the regular Turarenwuta you see. These are traditional Turarenwuta with importance, with uses, masu inganci, not any kind of turaren wuta you see out there. Some people make turaren wuta without even knowing the uses. Okay, sure. Some people just want the scent. No, we make turare for the scent, for the importance. Some turaren wuta drive some things. Some turaren wuta bring some things to your life. Some turaren wuta, every turare that you see we make has its own importance and uses. So don't just go out there and start making turare without knowing what you're looking for. Everything has its importance and its own disadvantage. So if you want to venture into this business, this Turarenwuta business, I would advise. A lot of people usually ask me how do I start Turarenwuta business. I would advise, what are you looking for? What do you want to gain from this Turarenwuta? Some people think it's a get rich quick scheme like that. No, it's not. Oh, it's not. Mostly we make Turarenwuta like for the body, for the home, for the clothes, and then maybe for one or two importance. If you're married like that, you know. If you're not, you know. Then if you're just put to bed, you know. If you are looking to drive some things away from your life or to bring forth some good things in your life, you know there are a lot of Turarenwuta for that, there are a lot of Khumras for that. So don't just like go and make carry 5 wood, carry you the cologne, carry moss crystal, shake and say you have made an amazing Farinjini Khumra. No, my dear, it's not like that. It's not made like that, man. Learn from the best, learn from people who know the way, learn from people who are experienced before you start Turarenwuta business. And then if you want to start, look at the area you are, look at what the people in your place need. If they are after scent, go for scent. If they are after the importance, then you go for the importance. But everything has its own use, everything has its own uses like that. So then and then if you want to do this Turarenwuta business, there is packaging too. there's packaging. If your place they prefer packaging, they want like packaging and fine package, everything is intact, then you go for packaging. If they are not that type, then you go for simple packaging and the rest. And then if you want a traditional Turarenwuta, you cannot just use any kind of oil perfume you come across in an Arabian shop or shop that sell perfume, and then you use it and call it that Turarenwuta traditional. No, there are a lot of items added that makes it unique and make it seems like that rari make it scent like a traditional Turarenwuta. There are a lot of oils, and these oils these oils used are very expensive sometimes. Most are not expensive. No, sorry, most are expensive. Then some of the little ones are not expensive. So if you're trying to like make a traditional scent and all that, you go for the good ones, the ones that are long lasting, and they are not just there. This traditional oil perfumes, these branded oil perfumes, they are not just there. They have their own importance other than like just having a unique scent. No, they are used in medicinal purpose a lot of time. So that's why. And then when you use them, they like stick to your home because they are made like using very good items and all that. So and they have unique scents. So you see sometimes you get a turare from online shops or all that, and then you say that you need traditional. These are the traditional oils. There are a lot of them. There are a lot of them out there. So if you're looking to make a unique Turarenwuta, get the traditional items. The traditional items, which are mostly unbranded perfumes, perfume oils, some wood, some powders. Some of them you get them from Islamic chemists. Some of them you can get them at any shop that sells Turarenwuta Bakhoor making items. You can get all those traditional items used in making Turarenwuta to make your Turarenwuta scent so nice. And these items, when used in Turarenwuta, like they make Turarenwuta to last longer on clothes and on body. So when making when making a unique Turarenwuta, you need to get the items. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed the little talk of this video. These are just the work of my students from my advanced and basic class. The advanced class, the fee for the advanced class is 8,000 naira, and the fee for the basic class is 2,000 naira. And inshallah, from 2023, we are going to be reviewing the prices. See you in classes.